Morning everyone, it's me again, Jinsen Roll, and welcome to my tiny channel. So welcome to Falling Water State Park. Can you all read it? And I am here. I'm geared up and ready to go. So first is I will go to Sinkhole Overlook. We arrived in the Sinkhole Overlook. That's the sinkhole right there, if you'll see those. It's not that visible to your eyes, but you can tell that there's a sinkhole on there. And right here also, there is a sinkhole right there. I wonder if there's like bats in that cave. And right now, let's go to Upper Waterfall Overlook that way. And now, let us go at the Lower Waterfall Overlook. You know, all I can say in this Falling Waters Park is it is not big, and don't expect an ample amount of water falling from the falls, because it's not a lot of water, to be honest, but it is waterfalls, and we are going that way. That's another sinkhole right there. Look at the picture of you with so would you go. And another sinkhole. I'm the biggest fan, I follow you until you love me. Papa, paparazzi. And this is the tiny waterfall right here. Oh, it looks so beautiful in here. Wow. It is better looking it in closer rather than in the overlook area. This is perfect. And this is falling water in Chipley, Florida, in Washington County, Florida. That's how deep it is. It is so pretty.
Long time. 51 years now.
And that is the falls. It is so gorgeous. Prettier than me. And now it's time for a real hike. So I have this small trailer right here, and I will use this trail. Luckily, I'm wearing my hiking shoes, which is the lighter version of my shoes. So here I go. Wish me luck. And let's walk towards the Turtle Lake. Come along. And welcome to the Turtle Lake. So this is their man-made lake. It looks gorgeous, but say here, caution, there's an alligator. Out and about. It's only me on this trail, which is good because I can do whatever I want. I reached the end of the trail, and this is the camping ground now. So I believe I need to proceed. I'll go walk again. But I already finished the Turtle Lane Trail, and here I am. I am back again in the falls, and I am above the deck. Right there. So it's time to go back home. See you soon, Georgia.